we're gonna demo buying a course or paying a subscription for a course. So I'm on my demo LMS demo page. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna log in, and then I'm gonna select my username and password here. I'm just gonna type in my password. I'm gonna say login. Now I can go and click on my courses. Just to show you, I've got 0 courses that I've enrolled in, 0 is completed, 0 certificates, 0 points as well, and it says no courses found. So what I need to do is go and buy a course. So you can set up free courses as well. In other words, the course you need to pay once off and get access to a course. With these type of courses, you can also pay, let's say, 100 Rand for a course, and then it can expire after 6 months or a year or 2 months. And then you can also get subscription courses where you pay, let's say, 100 Rand per month for the course. If you don't pay your subscription, then you won't have access to your course any further. With subscription courses, it's electronic payment that will go off on your credit card. So as soon as the person has signed up for a subscription, every single month they will be billed for that course. Okay, so let me go to all courses. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and buy this course. It's a once-off payment course. So I'm just going to put it in my cart. I'm going to say add to cart. We can change this wording. You can say enroll. It says okay, do you want to just buy this one? I'm say fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my cart. I'm going to pay 500 Rand. I'm going to say proceed to checkout. It's want to have my information. Okay, it says how do you want to pay? Direct transfer, pay fast. So we've selected to pay with pay fast, electronic payment. I can only make it pay fast, and we can have all kinds of different payment methods. Just note that Payfast South African payment gateway. It's also the only payment gateway that will work with the LMS as a subscription payment to take monthly fees off your credit card. I'm just going to say I agree to the terms and conditions, and I'm going to say place order. So I'm going to pay 500 Rand. I'll just say complete payment. Now what will happen here, it will actually ask for the user to register with Payfast if they don't have an account, and then set up a credit card and then make the payment. This is just in sandbox mode, it's just to test the system. So it's going to redirect me back to the website. It will tell me what my order number is, my information, and it has been paid this course. So what will happen now, if I go to my courses page, it's going to show that I have access to the Samsung course. Okay, so I've clicked on my courses. It shows I'm logged in at the moment, and it shows here that my courses are Samsung. I have access to Samsung course. I click here, and the drop down is going to tell me that my process hasn't started. It makes sense. And then what will happen if I click on the course? It's going to take me to the intro of the course. So this intro page we can go and edit. At the moment I just got the sessions here, but we can put in a video here. We can put any information, images or anything on this page. So you can edit this page to say and look the way you want it to look. So let's go to the first session. Okay, so what's happening now, I'm in the LMS itself. It says that I've a 0 at 5 steps. So I've got a session 1, a session 2, a session 3, and a session 4, and session 5. And it says my progress. I'm in progress. And this is now the course. The course tells me that I've got steps to do. So this is a Bible study for men. I've got my Bible readings to go and do. My step 2 is to go and watch this video. So what you will realize is that this video, though it is in YouTube, it's a hidden link. So In other words, this video is not available. You can't search it in YouTube or Google. It's a hidden unlisted link within Google, YouTube. So you can use YouTube or any other streaming media as long as the video is unlisted, if you don't want people to steal your video content. Yeah, I've just got like a download. If I click on it, it's gonna open a PDF. Here's a step 3 in information. So this course doesn't have quizzes or anything. It's just a text course with information. I just wanted to show you that we can embed images, videos, and we can have questions and text to follow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access a paid course. That's a subscription course, and then afterwards we're going to make videos and show you what kind of content you can put into your courses. So what's nice about the LMS system is you can restrict content. So if I go to session 2, it's going to block me because it's not ready yet. So it's going to tell me it's password protected, and you can go in the back end of the LMS and you can actually set a time for this session. So let's say your students have to write in the beginning of February, and the next session will be March. What you can do is this session will automatically, you can set the time to go live for 1st of March 2021, and then you can disable session 1. So you can set the session to expire the end of February, so the student won't be able to access session 1 anymore, but only session 2. But you can decide you can keep session 1 open. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how we can buy a subscription. So let me go here to my courses. Still, you will see I only have access to one course. Then I have to go to other courses, and this is just a real quick setup, just to show you guys how it works. So this is a per month course, so it's going to bill me $150 per month. I'm going to say sign up. I'm going to go to my cart. I can apply a coupon, so you can give discount to a person. And what's nice with the subscription course system, I'll get later into detail with this, is that you can set up the first month to be free, and then second month you can bill a different amount, and every month you can bill then different, let's say 150 Rand, but you can make the first month for free, or you can set up your first month for 100 Rand and then from the 150 Rand a month, or you can set up at 500 Rand for the first month and then 50 Rand a month. So you can go and change the settings for the monthly fees as well, but I'll go in depth in a different video. So let's go to proceed to checkout. What's nice, it says my first renewal. I just want to show you guys that. Sorry. So it was going to tell me the first renewal will be the 2nd of March. It's exactly in 30 days. And it's going to do that renewal automatically. So if I pay, see now it only shows me I can pay with PayFast, because with the other payment method you can't pay reoccurring payments. So I'm going to say sign up. It's going to take me to PayFast. I'm going to put in my CSV code there. I'm going to say pay, and it's going to do a reoccurring payment. Okay, it says my payment was successful. It's going to redirect me back to the website. Gives me an order number. And it will send me, I'll send you guys, show you guys the email. So what it's going to do is it will send me a invoice as well from the website. So let me go to my courses page. And now you will see I've got 2 courses. It says this one is 0 in progress. This one as well, because I haven't completed my first lesson. Let's go and check out wildlife. So that's what I said. So what you can do is in your main page of your course, you can also put videos there, FAQs. Here I've got some FAQs. This is not session 1 yet, it's just like an intro to the course, but here's my session 1. So if I click on my session 1, yeah, I can see I've got 11 sessions. This one is still password protected, it's not available yet. So let me type in the password so you can see the course. Okay, so this course is just password protected because I was still working on it. So same here, this is the type of content we can add. So I've got a step 1, step 2, and a video, step 3, and in a later video what we can do, I will show you what kind of content you can load into your LMS. So for this one it's just videos and some text for them to do. There's no quizzes. I'll demo the quizzes later on for this course. So if you're finished with session 1, you can say mark as complete, and we can set all kinds of limitations as well to in other words, we can set the person needs to do the session and then maybe do a quiz and then mark it complete before they can move to session 2. So this is session 2 information. Just want to show how it looks. It also responds, so let me quickly respond it to a mobile phone. So yeah, I've just opened just to show you guys how it responds. So this will maybe be how it looks on a iPad. So if you see, if I move my size, the whole website responds. Then if I go over to mobile, so that's how it will look on a mobile phone, around about. And then you will have a hamburger menu here on the side with your sessions, where on the desktop you'll have your hamburger menu and see your course in full screen mode, but you'll have to see that. So I can go to session 2. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you some more features.